Hey y'all, so we come back to y'all with another DIY. Okay, so today's video is how we gonna make my 27 birthday letter prints. So for some of y'all that don't know, my birthday is next month. I will be turning 27. I am a Pisces. Shout out to my Pisces game, my extra ladies. So for my birthday party, I wanted the 27 numbers. I want like the 3D tall numbers. Now I found some on the internet, Amazon Marketplace, it was some on Google, but they pretty expensive. They go anywhere from $50 to $200, and that's just to rent them. You don't get to have them. So I looked onto my handy dandy YouTube, and I found out that people were doing DIYs on how to do it for the low. So right now, we already started on number 2. I'm gonna show you that in a minute, and I'm gonna show you how we edit and get the numbers out and how you can get it for the free. Now some of the videos that I came across, they want you to buy the printed out 2s and 7, and that's fine. They like $7 a piece, which is way cheaper than, you know, spending $50 to $200 for these numbers. But we try to make sure y'all get it as free as possible, because that's what we all about, saving a coin this year. Okay, so first to start out, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need foam board, not poster board. You need foam board. It's like this. You can't really tell, but it's a little thick and it's like bendy. You can buy this at the Dollar Tree, and I believe you can get one for 50 cents. So since I'm doing 2 numbers, I keep wanting to say letters, y'all, but since I'm doing 2 letters, I got 3 right now because I just want to see how it turned out. But if the 2 come out real good, we're gonna go to the store tomorrow and we're gonna do the 7. But right now I only have 3, but I went ahead and bought 3 foam boards. You're gonna need a hot glue gun. The cheapest place to buy this is on Amazon. I went to Walmart, I went to Michael's. They're not expensive, but this was like it was like $8, and I got like a bunch of the little glue sticks that come with it. As to where if you go to Walmart, you gotta buy the gun just $8, and then the sticks like 10. Like, you know, it added up. Like I said, we trying to just for the low. So you need scissors, or you could use a box cutter, and the scissors are over there somewhere. But that's just basically what you're gonna need: hot glue gun, foam board, and scissors. And now we finna show y'all how to do the number, because I keep wanting to say a letter. So let's go see that process. As you can see right here, we already started on the 2. Excuse the ink. The ink don't really matter because you want the outline of the number. We just run out of ink, but we went ahead and started on the 2. And now we're finna show y'all how we finna do the 7, which is the same process. It's just a different number. Okay, so first and foremost, you're gonna wanna get the Adobe Reader on your computer. So it is free. You want to go ahead and click the free trial after you download this on your computer or your cell phone, and then you're going to want to go to Google and find the image that you like. Okay, so like I said earlier, we are going to print out the number 7. So go to Google, print out the number 7, and then you're going to save it. This little thing popped up. Now my girlfriend, she saved it in Photoshop. Save the file, and it should pop up like this.
They're gonna stop it on ways to convert.
So it's different ways to convert the photo. If you ran into the same problem we did, we couldn't automatically save the file to Adobe. We have to save it to Photoshop. So she saved the Photoshop. She's going to save as, and she's saving the file in Photoshop PDF.
Right.
So then you go back to Adobe, you click browse, and then you go through desktop, and it should be saved right there in your PDF file.
I don't know which one's which. Let's try that one.
Oh, hell, it popped up the 2.
Damn. I should have known.
Okay, so now when you come to this part, you're gonna go in the corner and you're gonna where is it? Is it print over there?
Print's way over here, baby.
Oops. You wanna click print, And when you click print, it's going to ask for the title scale, which you're going to put 500. And then overlap is going to be 0. Click poster.
Where you at?
Poster. Click poster. And then up here, make sure you click both of these boxes. So it says print in grayscale, black and white. And then you're going to also click save ink toner. And it should be in portrait. And then it should say document and markups. And it should look something like this on Adobe. And you go ahead and click print. And we label on ink, as you saw with number 2. And then boom, it's gonna start printing right here. So we just gonna wait for that process. Now that you have all your pieces together, what you want to do is you're gonna want to tape them all together. Okay, so now that you have your 2 taped down as perfectly as you can get it, now you're gonna want to cut it out. Now this is the finished product of the 2, and we're going to put it on top of the poster, trace it, and then cut it out. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so this is what we got so far. We got the 2 and the 7, and tomorrow we are going to start on the rest of it. I have work in the morning, so I just want to show y'all this. So we got so far. Shout out to all my 90s babies and my 94 babies, and especially my Pisces. I've been gone for 2 or 3 weeks. I'm back now. I'm gonna finish the sign, even though my birthday ain't for another 2 weeks. We make sure we organize, we prepared, and we're together. So I just wanted to make this little introduction, because like you might, I don't know, I think I was wearing the same thing in the last video. I don't think so. I really been looking ratchet in the last few videos, but that's nothing. That has something to do with right now, because on my birthday it's gonna be a whole new person, you know. But yes, so right now we are getting to the fun part, which is the layout of the 7, which is like the 3D part, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. Let's go. So right here, y'all, I'm just gonna measure it how long I want it. I think I want it about 4 inches. Hold on. Y'all excuse my wretched apartments. We finna move. Okay, 4. So that should be 4 inches. That's how long I want to stick out, because I'm gonna put balloons in it. And another tool you'll need is a super glue gun. I don't know if y'all can see this. I'll probably zoom in on it. But you can purchase, excuse me, a super glue gun, and you can buy it at your local, well, not local. Don't nobody do nothing local no more. It's all on the internet. You can buy it at your Amazon. Yeah, I feel so old. We used to buy stuff, y'all, at Walmart. Now you just order it on the Amazon and it just come in like 2 days. Like, I feel like we the Jetsons. Okay. So that is my 4 inches, and I'm gonna cut it out, and then in the next clip you'll see me super glue it along the top. Let's go. Okay guys, so I went ahead and cut it, and now I'm gonna super glue it on this part right here. See how it goes with the top of the 7, and that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go. Result of our 7. So basically what we did was we did 4 inches on each side, and we cut it out to make it have that 3D effect. And as y'all can see, don't it look so good? Like, y'all, I'm so excited. So this is step maybe 3, and now we're gonna move on to the 2. When I tell y'all it's like 30 minutes to finish, but it's so cute. Like, look at it. That looks so good. Like, don't you wish you was 27? For right now, and tomorrow we'll show you with the lights and balloons, but this is the final look of just cutting it out and measuring it and super gluing it, and I'm so excited. Okay guys, so today is the final day. We are done with the sign basically. So last night I showed y'all, excuse my house if it's messy. So here's the sign, and now all we have to do is install some lights and some balloons, and we are done. When I tell you this has been like the longest process and the most simplest process, it's just taking forever. So like I said, let me mount y'all. What I did was I went to my local Walmart. I got these pink balloons. This is the rose petal, and then I got these balloons as well. These are the metallic gold balloons, and then you could buy these push-on lights. So it come with the sticky part on the back, and it come with this push-on light, and we're gonna put that inside the 2 and the 7. And it got an adhesive part on the back, so you take that off and it just sticks on there. So I don't think I said if I did, oh well, but you gotta put 3 AAA batteries in here. So we just went and bought a whole bunch of cheap AAA batteries from Dollar Store, and we finna make it do what it do. Let's go. Okay y'all, so we're officially done. We was gonna do the balloons, but the way that we cut it out, we weren't able to have a full size, well, not really a full size, but like a small balloon in there without it, you know, being overbearing. So we just went ahead and decided to do the simple light look. But this is our 27. I think it came out wonderful, and I'm excited. My plan for this sign is to utilize it for my birthday, and I'm going to use it to take pictures. As you can see, I got my hair today because in the other videos I was looking very ratchet. But here's our beautiful 27. Isn't it so pretty? I love it, y'all. And we bought all the supplies at the Dollar Tree. And oh, it's not focused. Hold on. Hold on. What's wrong? Come on. Okay, now we're back in focus. But we bought all this stuff at the Dollar Tree. At most, what you'll end up spending is probably like $30 for this all together. We bought 3 cardboards. Maybe not even that. We bought 3 cardboards. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, 10. Like 11 lights. And then we bought 4 packs of batteries. So this is a pretty simple project. It could be under $20 if you do it right. But thank y'all for making it all the way to the end. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Listen in the comments below anything that we should have done differently and any tips.
Oh, you probably hear sizzling.
Well, all right, y'all. Thank y'all. See y'all in the next one.